In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create links and backlinks in Obsidian quickly and easily. In this tutorial, you'll learn how to create links and backlinks in Obsidian quickly and easily. Let's get started by opening Obsidian on your desktop. Once you're in, decide where you want to work. You can open an existing note if you already have one in mind, or create a new note so you have a clean place to practice. Either way, the goal is to have a note ready where you'll place your first link. To link to another note, type 2 square brackets, like this. Immediately start typing the name of the note you want to link to. As you type, Obsidian shows a list of matching notes. Choose the one you want from the suggestions, and the link is created for you. This is called a wiki link, and it's one of Obsidian's superpowers for connecting ideas. In Live Preview or Reading View, that link becomes clickable, so you can jump straight to the related note. If a note with that exact name doesn't exist yet, you'll still see it suggested. And when you follow the link later, Obsidian will let you create the missing note on the spot. Now let's look at backlinks. A backlink is simply a reference that points back to a note from anywhere else it's mentioned. To see it in action, open the note you just linked to. On the right side of your screen, you'll find the Backlinks pane. This pane shows you every note that links to the one you're currently viewing, giving you instant context and helping you discover related thoughts you might have forgotten. It's a great way to understand how your ideas connect across your vault. From the Backlinks pane, you can click any entry to navigate directly to the note that contains the link. This is perfect for quickly moving between related topics, reviewing your thinking, or tracing the origin of an idea. If you're working through a larger project, it can also help you verify that you've connected all the relevant notes. Repeat this process for as many links as you need. As you add more links, your network of notes becomes richer and easier to explore. Keep your note titles consistent and descriptive, and linking will feel fast and natural. Over time, the backlinks you see will reveal patterns, clusters, and connections that make your notes far more valuable. Now you can easily create links and track backlinks in Obsidian. Don't forget to subscribe for more quick tutorials.